cracking YouTube? It's me, host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing down a sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so just got off of work. In the drive-thru at Chick-fil-A, whatever, about to get some food because I am starving. I'm also tired. You probably can see it in my eyes. I'm super tired, but gotta give you all this content. Keep on pumping out this content. And this day, at the time of me recording this, it is Thursday, July the 23rd. I want to say that. I think 23rd, or maybe 24th. But I think it's the 23rd. I am releasing 3 videos a day, so 3 early sneaker reviews all coming today. So this is the one of 3. So I don't know which one it's going to be yet because this is just the intro, but I already did the reviews on all 3 of the shoes. So I just got to do the intro and all that good stuff. But anyway, yeah, after I get finished doing this intro, I'm gonna, show you the shoe. Then I'm gonna go back to the house, give you some information. Y'all know how my sneaker reviews is, so stay tuned for that. Enjoy that, and I will be back. So stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, first off the rip, I'm loving this lid. I'm loving this. Look at that. It's like glass, broken glass. They go with the theme of the shoe. Look at that right there through the Nike, all this broken glass. All right, we got Air Jordan 1 Retro Hot OG, black sail, starfish. I'm loving this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. That's dope. I love when they do special edition boxes like that. It just adds so much character to the shoe. It makes the shoe seem like it's a main event. It's something special and something that we really, really need. Like that. All right, let me set this up. Boom. All right, so without further ado, set this right here. Put that one right there. We got the Air Jordan 1 High OG Shattered Backboard. All right, boom. We got the Air Jordan 1 High OG Shattered Backboard. This is I think this is the second time that these release in this iteration. I know they went all the way up to like 3.0. They had the Shattered Backboard 1, Shattered Backboard 2.0, Shattered Backboard 3.0. So this is a re-release of the first ones, if I'm not mistaken. Got that orange bottom. Look at that. Got that orange toe cap right there with the black leather going around that. Black laces. I think it comes with some extra laces somewhere in here. Probably some white ones. Probably up there somewhere. Pretty plain shoe. I mean, I know one thing. Resale and these used to be high for the first ones. This is a re-release, so they drop. Like, I think you can get these for under retail right now, which I love. I love when everybody been able to get the shoe that they want. But yeah. Quick little review. Just wanted to give y'all a first look at this. This is probably a thumbnail right there. But I just wanted y'all to really look at this shoe. I like it. I'm not going to get it, and it's not because I don't like the shoe. It's just because I don't really wear Jordan 1s like that, and I'm not buying shoes the way I used to. But let me get back to the house so I can give y'all some proper information. Ooh, okay. Get right here. That's a little bit better. Here we go. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed the little review of the Air Jordan 1 High Shattered Backboard, the 2025 edition. Got some information for y'all off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. I'm trying to get it right here so it doesn't look too... There we go. That's probably better, so it doesn't look too blurry or too shiny in the background. All right, y'all can read along with me. Hold on, get this ready. It's gonna be up in 2, 1. Should be up right now, so you can read along with me. All right, there we go. Official photos of the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard. In 2025, the Jordan brand is smashing expectations again to celebrate the 40th anniversary of the Air Jordan 1. They're bringing back... Hold on. First of all, before I say this, let me put this pillow up. Just like that. Phone got to hold the phone. I feel like it's always a anniversary, like in Jordan brand. Like, it's a 40th anniversary, or it's just always something they celebrating every single day. That's just my opinion. It feels like that. Anyway, all right. To celebrate the 40th anniversary of the Air Jordan 1, they're bringing back a fan favorite, the Air Jordan 1 High OG Shattered Backboards, for its 10th anniversary. See that? 40th anniversary, 10th anniversary. Originally launched in 2015, this colorway pays tribute to Michael Jordan's infamous backboard breaking dunk in Italy. Yet the moment that turned a glass panel into confetti is now sneaker lore. Inspired by MJ's Stefani Testi jersey, I know I said that wrong. The shoe rocks a bold black, orange, and off-white combo. It's the kind of colorway that yells history lesson, but in the coolest way possible. This 2025 version keeps the iconic look, but upgrades the shape with the refined AJ1 mold introduced in 2022. But wait, there's more. You still get that soft tumble level, crisp black overlays, and the classic Nike Air tongue. Even the insoles feature shattered backboard graphics in case you forgot what you're stepping into. I didn't even show y'all that, so I'm glad they said that. If y'all hear noise in the background, that's Chewy right next to me drinking water, going to town on this water bowl. He's going to town on it. All right, mark your calendar. Air Jordan 1 High OG Shattered Backboard releases on August 23rd. Oh, this is like a month out. This is a month away. This is a real early review. I thought this came out this month. At select retailers and Nike.com, retail price is a cool $185 USD. Fair one of these will fly faster than MJ in 85. That's so corny. Yeah, so 185 and August 23rd is the price and release date respectfully. Here goes some more images of it. Like I said, this shoe was reselling for a lot. Like I saw like for $800-900 at one point. Now I think if you go on StockX, it dropped a lot because, you know, this is like the, you know, they're re-releasing it. They got the extra laces, the black and orange laces. And it's a dope shoe, I'm not gonna lie, it's a dope shoe. I'm not getting the shoe, like I said. It has nothing to do with the shoe itself. I'm not saying it's a bad shoe. I just have no need for orange and black Jordan 1. Like Jordan 1 to really be exact. And I told y'all before, I'm not gonna be buying everything just because they're available to me. These are available to me, excuse me. But I'm gonna pass on it. But yo, my collection is slowly but surely dropping. This don't even count because this is all LeBrons. It don't count. But like my Jordan collection is that first 3 rows of Jordans. It used to be all of this was Jordans, closet was Jordans, living room was Jordans. Now it's just those first 3 rows. So they going down. They going down. So anyway, y'all let me know this is a copper drop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bells every time I post new content. You'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.